So something with these expressions, yeah. So if you got p minus a, that's the vector joining p and a, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
A
we
to
know.
p. And then is this the right one here?
Huh?
So
Q
you got
minus
q
B.
minus b. So that's this one, right?
Yeah, Q minus B equals A minus B.
So
Q is equal to
So-
A.
q minus.
Yeah, it's correct. Because AC is AC is C minus A. Rotate by 60, you get AQ, yeah. Then plus A, plus
C
minus A is from A to C, right?
Yeah, and then you get q minus a, right?
Q
A
minus
to
A,
C,
yeah. Then
Q
add
minus
A
A.
and you get Q minus B and you get Q minus B.
Oh, okay, so it's like that, yeah.
A to Q plus A plus B to A to Q plus B to A.
Okay, so let's resolve this issue, because if this is the same length and they have 60 degrees to each other, right? It has to be a rotation of 60 degrees, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't have a choice. So if we rotate it by 60 degrees, it should give you the same answer, right? But what's wrong here then?
What's wrong?
So we have, if we times this by 660, right?
Yeah,
C minus A goes to 660 times C minus A, right?
yeah.
That's good, yeah? But 660 times this, for some reason, doesn't go to that, does it?
Wait, the 660 can this something distribute properly?
Yeah. So, do you know what I'm saying here?
Yeah.
So 660 times that equals this, yeah?
Yeah, but 660
660,
of 660, that's 120.
120,
Let's be great. Of
B minus C, yeah?
Why do we use cis?
This is cosine I sine, yeah?
Okay, that makes sense.
Doesn't give-
equals A minus B. That's what it's meant to be.
That's what you mean by multiplying like by rotation. That's what you mean.
yeah, multiply by
So
a
apparently
rotation.
cis 90 is equal to I.
That doesn't make sense, right? Something went wrong. So B minus C,
Oh no.
if you rotate it by 120, right?
Yeah.
That should not get you A minus B. Or should it? It shouldn't.
Or should it?
No, because you start with an arbitrary triangle, right? So something went wrong, yeah?
Something with. So wait, I'm looking at each of the steps. Like, but does distributing cis60 work, or do you need some kind of like new distribution, like cosine I sine? Like what I'm saying is, does just distribution work that way? Well, because
What are you saying?
like when you multiply everything by cis60, in which equation was the problem?
So if I multiply this by 660, I get that, right? So I want to multiply this by 660 to get that, yeah?
Why? How?
How did the first part not cancel?
Wait, how does that work? How can you?
Where did you get?
Like, you don't have to think out loud sometimes, yeah? You can just think in your head.
Yes.
Okay, I like
Q minus B.
house
Q minus B.
C60 C minus. Q minus my Q.
Is this?
B to A plus A to Q is B to Q.
Oh.
Oh,
I think I know the mistake.
yeah, I know. So if you do instead of the first part, instead of doing
This.
no, like after that, yeah. Instead of doing C B minus C, you can do it the other way around as well. Yeah, it's like you can also rotate it from B or C. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So B minus C is the vector of C, but you can also do C minus B, and you'll get
Also, why is this 60 times
C
B to
minus B.
yeah, you can do C minus B, and then in the end you add back a B.
Because B minus C is from C to B, right?
So you're saying this
It's wrong.
No,
Can be
it's not
changed.
wrong, but you can change it. It's like C60 of C minus B equals P minus
C.
C minus B is from
C minus B is a vector BC.
So that's
BC.
that, yeah.
Yeah, but
You
like,
rotate that
rotate it-
clockwise.
yeah.
So it's minus 60.
Minus 60.
yeah, so
And you can
oh,
move out
you-
the 6. You can move out the minus, can't you? I think.
Mm.
because
So I'm actually saying what we did must be wrong because
yeah, this is wrong. Because like B minus C is from C to B, right? You rotate anti-clockwise for 60 degrees. How does that give you P to C?
No, that's correct.
What?
Is it?
C to
Anti-clockwise is
is this 60 B
So
minus
are you
C?
saying cis 60 times P minus B, right?
no, it's negative 60.
It gets you that, yeah?
Yeah.
Because C minus
Yeah.
B. Okay. So then
So didn't you say the original was wrong?
so P minus A equals
What? Is this 60 P minus? Yeah, the original was wrong. Because C to B rotated.
Oh, it should have been rotated on that side, right?
Yeah, you should have made that clear.
So I think because B minus C goes to here, right? Oh, that is anti-clockwise.
Yeah, that is.
It is anti-clockwise.
Yeah. I'm confused. So and then you have this.
Yeah, the original was correct.
B minus A plus this.
Why
Why is he so dumb?
Shut up, David.
Wow, so toxic.
You're actually annoying, so you can say you're annoying, yeah? So you don't have to say anything in return.
Okay, I see.
P minus
Yes, this minus 6. And then that can somehow get to R minus C. Because now it fits out, yeah? There's B minus A and there's a B minus C. They're just in reverse.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you rotate this by 6 minus 60, right?
Yeah.
Why is it like negative?
What?
Okay, well, it's okay if it's negative. We can deal with that. But so then you get A minus B, and then you get B minus A, right?
And then you get
Oh yeah, and then you get the negative, yeah?
but
Well, how is that even correct? P minus
But-
A equals to B minus A plus this 60. So 60.
it's not minus 60, it's negative 60.
Oh, yeah, that makes more sense.
So that works, right? For the third one goes to the first one.
Yeah,
It goes to the negative, but it doesn't matter because
because it's
there's two ways it could point.
What? What do you mean?
vectors can go both. You can go RC or CR.
Oh, R minus C. So you're putting R minus C is equal to C minus R minus B plus B minus C.
Okay, so then we showed that AP and CR are the same length and they're 60 degrees apart, right? So something was actually wrong in some of these other calculations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How can you have a B minus?
So where?
So Q
B
minus
is used twice.
Q
C
is
minus A. Where's C minus A?
C minus A is vector AC.
Oh, wait, so C minus A times 60 will give you Q minus A, right?
Yeah. Add A minus B. What are you doing?
So
I think you
that's
should have negatives so you can multiply by 60 and get constant.
Yeah, I know, but the point is, if this is like, it's one thing to have a different form and it works, right? But like, it seems like if you have this as the form, you get a wrong conclusion, right? Or is it you're gonna rotate it by another 60? Because like it seems like no matter how many times you rotate it, you can't get this to be true.
What?
What's up?
So if you rotate this by 60, right, you get to that, yeah?
Yeah.
Or negative that.
Rotated by 60.
Yeah, so then I guess you shouldn't get to this.
You get negative of that.
Okay, it feels like I did something wrong, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. But what you did does fix something, yeah? So then that gives you that when you rotate. And in principle, that should be enough. Because
Yeah.
we haven't set any of the
Yeah,
variables.
Maybe something is not nice.
Yeah, so there is the possibility that it doesn't have to actually go to that by one rotation, right? So then they don't have to actually be equal. Yeah. So
In the geometry thing,
Oh, because you haven't
this-
set
this
any
angle
coordinates.
is all 120. Like BFC is all 120.
yeah, so that makes these all 60s now, right?
Yeah.
So they have all the same length and they're all 60. So these are all cyclic quads now, right?
Yeah.
And then they all now meet at the same
Big
point.
brain.
Big brain!
Okay. So the point is named F for Fermat, who
Oh.
obtained it with no angle of the angle triangle exceeds 120 degrees, as the point whose distances from A, B, and C have the smallest sum.
Wait, you said big brain moment, but which line did you derive it from? The last line?
Oh no, this is just one. Just assuming
Yeah, but you can't assume the
No. So if you do P minus A is that, right? You times that by cis 60 and you get R minus C, or the negative of R minus
Oh,
C.
really? So times it by 60, everything by 60.
Yeah, see, that'll cancel that, right? Then you get
Oh.
C minus B, yeah? And then you get that, which is the negative of that,
Wait,
yeah?
why would that cancel? 60
minus
So the cis minus 60 times
Cancels
660 is just
Oh,
cancel.
okay. So are you timesing everything by 6 minus 60?
No, I'm timesing this by cis 60. It cancels the minus 60, yes?
Oh, okay. It's minus 60. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Plus
you get
six.
everything, you get this,
Plus
but the
six.
negative of that,
Negative
yeah?
60. Yeah.
Okay, and in
Understanding.
principle, since we haven't specified A, B, and C, that should mean they're all rotations of each other by 60 degrees. And they have the same length. That doesn't quite say they're concurrent, does it? Ah, okay. So it shows that. So two of them have to intersect, right?
Yeah.
So let's say these two. So let's do the ones we actually did. Yeah, these two. And RC. Yeah. So they have to intersect at 60 degrees. At 60 degrees.
Yeah, then you get the
Do you get this as a cyclic quad, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
60,
So that's
60.
Oh, but
So
then
that's
we
a
already
circle,
proved
yeah.
all of them have to be 60. So all of
yeah,
them.
because then you put the
And then the 3 circles intersect.
We know that, yeah. So that we know that those two circles intersect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, don't you know that all three of them are cyclic quads?
Pivot theorem?
Yeah, we know all three because of the angle. Well, we don't know. So the thing is, we don't know the other one. The line goes through that point, right? So you don't know the angles. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
But the point is, we know from the theorem before that you
Pivot
have
theorem.
3 circles that intersect,
Pivot
right?
theorem. Is it the pivot theorem?
Yeah.
You can pivot it, rotate it.
Yeah.
Like, if there's 2 circles that intersect on a point, the third circle has to intersect with the point as well.
Yeah.
If it's any triangle.
Yeah. So the third circle has to intersect at that point.
Yeah.
So you know that angle has to be 60 and 60 as well, right?
Yeah.
So then it has to be collinear with that line. Okay? So it's not quite like immediate. So you have to actually do an argument with the 3 circles. Okay?
So there should be some
Yeah, actually you're right. So there should be a way to set, the lambda news and news, so that they get 1 point. Yeah. So we have to maybe leave that one.